Since it pleased the Almighty Deity to grant me 57 years of earth life, I bestow profound reverence on him. In the manner of unrelenting seasons, day of birth brings memories. In this 67th year, flooding my mind with scintillating glories. With heart of nostalgia strings, slowly yet steadily rebuilding the past. Down memory lane, I reflect on every little achievement with a blast. Mulling over countless transitions, I recall forgotten years in wonder, as now and then I come upon flashes of childhood laurels to ponder. At last, reeling with heady feelings of satisfaction at a life addressed, summons of present moments raised issues of future to be dressed. In full consciousness, my heart is warmed by the soothing knowledge that there is in the past unimaginably ample nourishment to manage remainder of present life in perfect reverence to the Almighty Deity. In patterns of my meditations, I gratefully resolve incarnation in piety. Happy birthday, Yezeidi.